construction of the entire 18-kilometer stretch of the SKYWAY Stage 3 project, linking the northern and southern portion of Metro Manila, has been completed. From the onset of his administration, President Rodrigo Duterte has worked to decongest EDSA. The completion of the girder construction of SKYWAY Stage 3 shows the President's political will to connect every city in Metro Manila within a 30-minute frame. SKYWAY Stage 3 is one of 25 projects aimed at decongesting EDSA, a 90-year-old 23.8-kilometer circumferential highway. The SKYWAY Stage 3 is an 18-kilometer elevated expressway spanning from Buendia in Makati to Balintawak in Quezon City. It is composed of 5 sections. The first section spans from Buendia, Quirino Avenue, and Nagtahan. The second section traverses Nagtahan, Aurora Boulevard, Ramon Magsaysay Avenue. The third section connects Ramon Magsaysay Avenue, Quezon Avenue. The fourth section starts from Quezon Avenue and ends in Balintawak, and the final section connects Balintawak in Quezon City to the NLEX footbridge. When SKYWAY Stage 3 is opened, travel time from SLEX to NLEX will be reduced from 2 hours to only 30 minutes. Makati to Quezon City will only be 20 minutes away. Before 2022 ends, travel time from Naiya to Balintawak will only be 20 minutes away. Valenzuela to Makati will only be 15 minutes away. Earlier this year, 2 big-ticket projects under the EDSA Decongestion Master Plan were also completed. The NLEX Harbor Link Segment 10, a 5.58-kilometer 6-lane divided elevated expressway, utilizing the existing PNR railroad tracks connecting MacArthur Highway, C3 Road in Caloocan and Malabon, and the NLEX Harbor Link R10 exit ramp, a 2.6-kilometer 4-lane elevated ramp which connects Caloocan, Malabon, and Valenzuela to Manila. Other projects include the BGC Ortigas Link Bridge, the NLEX SLEX Connector, the Pantaleon Estrella Bridge, the Binondo Intramuros Bridge, the Lawton Avenue widening, the Katipunan Extension, the Laguna Lake Expressway, among others.